Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix Reddit not loading, you've come to the right place. So as you can see, my Reddit is working well, and I am already fixed my problems. So what helps me a lot is I clear my cache and the cookies in my browser. So click on three dots here. In different browsers it can be different ways, but the solution of the problem is the same. You need to open settings of your browser. Here you need to find the list browsing data, and in time range choose all time. Click on advanced, and here you need to find what you need to delete. So I was deleting only cookies, cache, images and files. That's all. Once I done that, I need to relog into my Reddit account, and my Reddit is working. Also, if the problem is not solved, you can try to go to your extensions in your browser, click on Manage Extensions, and here you need to remove all the extensions which is unnecessary and may influence on work of Reddit. Also, if to this ways to solve the problem is not working, you can try a different browser and use incognito and private mode. So click here, click on new incognito window, and try to open Reddit in incognito mode. If Reddit works in incognito but don't work uh, in average, in common browser, you can try to reload your computer. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.